Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee espresso machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see there's a little leak here, but that's not something that can be addressed without taking the machine completely apart. It's a lot of labor. Um, so we don't try to repair that sort of issue until it gets a lot worse, just because it's so much work. And yeah, actually I'm going to do another pull, but we have a really nice shot here with good crema.
What's this leak you're referring to?
It's right here. When you push the lever down, it leaks a little bit.
Oh,
But in order to resolve it, the entire boiler has to come apart. And so we wait till it gets worse or it's leaking from somewhere else.
not worried about it breaking off and burning
Yeah.
somebody up, huh?
Yeah, it's no big deal. I mean, it's got 4 bolts on the inside.
Oh, okay.
And the new ones have the bolts on the outside so that you don't have to take the whole boiler apart in order to resolve
like
the
what we
issue.
were just looking at, the 4 bolts on the outside. Yeah.
Exactly. So it's a better design, and they obviously realize when they put the bolts on the outside, they're admitting that they designed it wrong in the first place. But otherwise, this is a great machine, and it's pulling a great shot. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.